And you definitely don't want to, oh, fuck! When it's windy, you really gotta keep your knees bent and crouch up, make yourself as small as possible to cut through the wind. Seated riding would be best, but the Nosfet Aero is just a little too small. But I can still do it. You definitely don't want to make your body so big as to catch too much wind. Not if you can help it. And you definitely don't want to, oh, fuck! I was just about to say, you definitely don't want to lean too much. And that's precisely what's going to happen. It's a miracle I did not fall on my ass. Now, I know to be even more extra careful, because that was sketchy as fuck. Really not a good idea to come out and ride